Oh, nickel box back. In the process of taking off the cover to my case here. The case has a sliding door here to make it easier to access the motherboard. And this has actually got some places for expansion cards, but I don't have any expansion cards to put in it, so I'm not going to worry about that. Comes the board. We can lay that aside for a long while. Alright, so let's take a look on the inside here. Let me see how well that looks. Okay, good enough. Taped to the bottom of it is a whole bunch of screws. I hope to heck I don't have to use all of those, but we'll find out. Alright, and these are the connections to various parts of the motherboard. There's a HDD LED, a power LED, another power LED, well, plus and minus, a reset switch, and a power switch. Okay. Alright. So let's turn it on its side here. And there's also a back band for ventilation and the slot for the power supply. Now we are going to put the power supply in first. There's a monster. Alright. Look at all the cables and all that, and it's all wrapped up neatly, and I'm about to unwrap it. And it's all going to go flying everywhere. But it is carefully marked, and I will go over that just a little bit since I get it untied. Put this aside because we're going to focus on power supply for just a little bit. Alright. Main power. I'm going to use the motherboard as an example here. Main power goes here. Here, actually. There's only one way to fit it in, and that's not it. Let me turn this around. No, that's the right one. That was the right way. Huh? That was the right way. Okay. So we put that in. That's going to feed the main power of the board. Now the rest of this stuff is going to go to put this aside. The screws for the case. Go towards powering up things like the DVD drive. Although they get its power from these connectors here. So, okay. But yeah, this will convert the power to the right form. All right. So, I'll take this off because otherwise it's going to be very difficult to connect it. But those are mainly what the connectors are. This is a smaller power connector, and of course this is the one for the 88 SATA drives. SATA, etc., etc. This is for the old style power supply. If you had an old disk drive you needed to put in there, then that's what you would put on there. Still have to use legacy stuff on there, unfortunately, but until everyone makes the switch, that's the best we can do. Okay, so power supply. The other way, so we can see what's going on. won't be so hard to get it in there. Alright, again, this only goes in one way. This back here goes to the back part of the hole for the this hole right here is for the power supply, and that's so we can vent and all that good stuff. All right, so yeah, like I said, everything's going to go everywhere. All right, so this came with screws, of course. So, when I was saying there was only one way to put it in, basically I'm saying we want the fan part of this to be blowing over the board. So, guess which direction that goes. Because the motherboard will be covering this area. Various screws here. Let me see if I can find the right ones for the. Maybe. Okay. We'll figure it out. Comes with so many screws that you don't know what to do with them sometimes. And you'd be surprised if there was some left over. This is the manual for the Antec. Shows the various setups in English and French. I can't actually read French. I have a dictionary. Okay. Basically, we need to figure out what type of screws we need for this. I could actually take out the back cover too. I'm not going to. Notice in here that there are little things on here, the razors. Yeah, raise the motherboard above the surface of the case, so it doesn't short out. All right. We can move the camera to a different angle here, so I can see things better. Out of the way. Careful not to short things out. Of course the light's not going to be there, but of course the camera can adjust. Alright, so there are basically 4 screws that hold the power supply in. Two, three, 4. Just need to find out the right screw for that. Gotta be careful with these not to lose them or put them in the wrong spots here. So, let's see if these fit. I've actually done this kind of thing before. I'm not a newbie at it, but it has been a while since I've done it. I think we have a winner here. Alright. So this is the screw that we need. And we want to find 4 of them. That now it's kind of a rounded head. Kind of shoved a stubby feel to it. And there's another one. There's a third. And there's a fourth. I'm manually tightening them, and I'll tighten them with a screwdriver a little bit. Crucify it again. Back over here. We're running out of battery power, so I gotta stop the video here. Thanks for watching.